Hi, welcome to Keto in the Kingdom. When we adopt a ketogenic way of eating, one of the things that we often miss is bread. Well, today I'm going to show you an easy way to make a keto-friendly bread. In order to make the bread, we're going to use 12 eggs, about a cup of butter, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 cups of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and a teaspoon of salt. For added flavor, I like to add some yeast and psyllium husk. Firstly, we will set the oven to 375 degrees. The oven's preheating, we will mix all of our dry ingredients into a bowl. Once you have all the dried ingredients in the bowl, mix it thoroughly. Melt the butter and mix it in with the coconut oil. While the butter is melting, beat 12 eggs thoroughly. Add the eggs to the dried mixture and mix thoroughly. Next, slowly add the butter to the mixture. Pour the mixture into a bread pan that's lined with some baking paper. Once your oven has reached 375 degrees, bake for 45 minutes. When done baking, take your loaf of bread out of the oven and put it on a cooling rack. Let it cool for at least 60 minutes before you cut into it. Each slice of the bread will give you about 2 net carbs.